Malacañang respects the statement of the United Nations Human Rights High Commissioner that judicial authorities of the Philippines should investigate the admission of President Rodrigo Duterte that he killed some criminals when he was still Davao City mayor. Rosalie Coz will tell us why.
In Davao, I used to do it personally, just to show to the guys that if I can do it, why can't you? And I go around Davao with a motorcycle, with a big bike, and I would just patrol the streets and looking for trouble also. Tagla naghanap ako ng inkwento para makapatay.
This statement of President Rodrigo Duterte garnered negative comments, especially from the human rights advocates. Last comment was the United Nations High Commissioner for Human Rights, Sid Raad Al-Hussein, who says President Duterte must be investigated because what he did is against the Philippine and international law.
The UN High Commissioner for Human Rights, Sid Raad Al-Hussein, is today urging the Philippines judicial authorities to launch investigative processes following last week's admission by President Rodrigo Duterte that he had killed people and encouraged others to do the same. The killings committed by Mr. Duterte, by his own admission, at a time when he was a mayor, clearly constitute murder.
Meanwhile, Malacañang says the UN has the freedom to comment on the issue and that it respects such comments.
The UN Commissioner is free to express his views regarding that matter, but we ourselves have already attended to the matter at hand. Okay.
On the other hand, Malacañang remains firm that UN Special Rapporteur on Summary Executions and Extrajudicial Killings, Agnes Calamard, has to abide by the preconditions of President Duterte before coming to the Philippines and investigating cases of alleged extrajudicial killings.
We also need to understand from where the president is coming from, that he understands, he personally has a point of view, and he has stressed these conditionalities simply because he feels, he also perceives that it would be for the betterment of the situation to impose these conditionalities. It's now the UN rapporteur's call.
Rosalie Coz, UNTV News and Rescue, Malacañang.